Every Grafana account has a default project. If nothing else is specified, the default project is being used for recording test results, regardless which application we are testing. Now, of course, this is not something that we really want. So in order to do something differently, we need to create a separate project. So we can go here to project, and you will see here the default project and everything here we have. For example, we have here 2 tests that have started, and we're going to see here also the scripts that have been used. But we don't want to put anything in the default project ideally, because what is the default project? It's kind of like good for making some quick experiments, but it's not really something that we would use in day-to-day situations. So let's go ahead and use this button to create a new project. And I'm just going to call the project test app. When you create a project, the project will automatically have a project ID assigned. So this is what we need to specify in our script in order to link this execution to this particular project. So let's jump back to our code. So in order to specify the project ID, we need to have the options object. And inside here, we're going to add the following configuration. So we're going to start with ext, which is a property used to configure external extensions or integration. So this will be an object. And next, we're going to write here load impact. And this will also be an object. The load impact property refers to K6 Cloud, which was originally called low impact before being rebranded as K6 Cloud. So essentially, load impact was the company that created K6 before they were bought by Grafana. So this is why sometimes you may encounter load impact. Now, inside the object with load impact, we need to specify the project ID. So we need to write project ID as follows. It's going to be project, all in lowercase, and then ID, both of them need to be in uppercase. Now what you need to put inside here is your actual project ID. So again, go here and you'll find here this copy button. Super easy. Jump back to your code and then you have your project ID specified here. Now it doesn't matter which type of execution do you use, if you're using K6 Cloud to run this, or if you're simply outputting to K6 Cloud. For both situations, this project ID will be impacted and the results will be part of the project. So let me show you how this works. I'm going to run the script locally because it is a bit faster, and we're going to stream the results to the cloud. We can already take a look and see what is happening there. We can click on this link directly or go to our cloud account and refresh here the project. And we're going to see here that an execution is already taking place. So now we have managed to link a specific execution to a specific project, which is something that we will do from now on, which is something that totally makes sense. Now, taking again a look at the script, I would say that it would be even better to use an environment variable and to set that environment variable from outside instead of having a hard-coded value in your code. But anyway, this would work. Probably once you're starting a project and you have all your details there, having something like that in your code is something that's not going to change a lot.